Hi, I'm Scott from C2 Renewable Solutions and I'm here to take you through an install today. First of all, we take the panels out the van and then we hoist them onto the roof. Next, we make sure of all the measurements for our panels to go on the roof, and we make sure that we're down to the precise millimetre. Yeah, well, I'm totally happy with that. So once we're happy with all the measurements, we start installing the panels. Each panel is individually laid on the rail and they're fixed in 4 points and screwed down. Those guys are not going anywhere. Final check over the panels, tidy up the rails, install the end clips, job done. So there you go, another successful installation from C2 Renewable Solutions.